What are you up to now?
Gonna fit some new shocks to the back of the truck.
What?
Gonna fit some new shocks to the back of the truck. So next time we're heading through Cobden, I can really get the sucker airborne.
I thought you were cleaning it out.
I'm gonna do that as well.
Okay. Alright. Open everyone up. Let's have a look inside this monstrosity. So have you actually cleaned it out since your last race? Nope. Oh god. Got a flat battery?
Something I've got to fix. I've got to put a new solenoid on there.
Righto.
Now I've got to put a new mirror on the other side.
Oh. What happened to the other mirror, Steve-o?
When we did some maintenance on it at work the other day, I may or may not have backed into the hoist a little bit.
Oh yeah. You break the hoist?
No,
You break the mirror?
maybe. It wasn't the fact that I broke the mirror that was a problem, it was the fact that I spent an hour and a half adjusting them up and getting them all perfect, and then I smashed the mirror.
Yeah. Good on you, dickhead.
My friend.
Yeah, a spider. Very nice.
Ooh, bit wet.
Oh god, what have we got going on in here?
Just pretty much all the shit from end of last season. All the Hoosiers I took to Murray Bridge and never used. And then COVID happened.
So tyres out, obviously.
Yeah, gonna give the sucker a clean
Got a
out.
bit of a list going on up here. We've done a great lot of work on those jobs.
Yeah, we'll get there.
Fix your alternator
Some new
light.
shock racks. What alternator light?
Yeah, right there. You got no idea, do you?
No, that's on the race car.
Oh, have you fixed that?
Yeah, I have, because I've rewired it all. Tyre rotor coming and some brakes I got organised. Got to grab up some tyres, but they're all good. This is the list I've got to do to the truck. Plus a few more that we found when we tried to service it the other day.
Why have you got a length of steel in here?
Because that's what I'm going to make the shock mounts out of.
What?
The new shocks that I make that. Look. I'm going to make mounts up because it doesn't actually have shocks in the back. I think I'm not making
What?
it right a little bit. It doesn't actually have shock absorbers in the back, this truck.
No wonder it's rough as guts.
So I figured, well, a lot of trucks don't, so I figured I'd put some shocks in and see if it makes it ride any better.
Oh, right.
It's one of those jobs I've got to do. I've been meaning to do for 3 years and haven't done.
Obviously, you're cleaning out your tyres. Get them out so you can move around in here.
Yeah, work it all out. I don't know what I'm going to do. I've got to sort out toolboxes and do all sorts of stuff. And
That one there's coming out.
yeah, we made this a few years ago. Yeah, it's done alright, but it just doesn't work quite as good as it should, so I went and bought some. I've had some for like nearly over a year now and haven't put them in yet, but anyway.
Yeah.
Something if you're
I organised that quite a while ago. Yeah, good one, dickhead.
Yeah. What do or not?
Well, I just wanted to know how you sort of set it all up, but at the moment it's sort of a bit of a disgrace. So, what are your thoughts this time around to sort of what you want to run and what you don't want to run and what you've learnt not to bring and take and all those sorts of things?
I don't know. I take way too many tools. I've got to clean all the toolboxes out and work out what I'm going to do with that. The fridge is excellent. That's staying. I don't know what else.
So you've got your methanol and some water underneath your fridge
Yeah,
there?
I've had up to 80. Oh, more than that. More than that now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100 litres.
It's 100 litres there, Steve.
Yeah, and 20 litres of water. Yeah,
So
whiteboard for our setups. It's pretty clean at the minute, but
yeah, because that's working well for us.
it's working well for us. But
Yeah, we just usually get abuse from Other teammate.
Yeah, they always come in and write stupid messages on there more than anything else.
So what's your thoughts with the toolboxes?
I don't know. I've got to get
Obviously,
rid of
you
them.
said you want to downsize. You want to like.
I'd like to. If I get rid of the toolboxes, I can nearly fit that big behemoth of a truck in here.
So that's what you're trying to obviously.
I don't know. I've got to work out something better with the toolboxes.
By the way, that's the truck he was trying to get in here.
Yeah. Otherwise, I'll just put it on a trailer or do something. But anyway, we'll work that out. Otherwise, Carl will take it for me. But I've got to clean this out. I can do every season. I've got to work out what I'm going to do with the toolboxes. I've got like about 5 of my old tool kits in those toolboxes. I've got like 15 half-inch spanners and no 9/16s, and anyway, so I've got to go through that and sort that out, sort out my tools and actually make up a proper kit and everything. Where's my wheel brush?
Where's my wheel brush?
I don't know where the wheel brush is. Oh, I might be there. I'll head it there. Yeah, so the wheel brush normally hangs here. That's
Whoever has stolen it, please return it. But I'm pretty sure it would be this one.
So the wheel brace hangs up here. I've got gear sets there, wheel spacers here. Like I said, shock racks which are getting replaced, radius rods, a few different front end there which is getting fixed up a little bit. I'm going to make up some mounts and put all some hang me spare arms and stuff on this.
So what about air? What do you do for like air and all that?
Yeah, so air, I've got an ARB 12 volt compressor, twin compressor mounted up underneath, under the floor. Actually, if I turn that on. Pumps into a tank, hose reel here, and I haven't got the air blower because I stole it to the shed, but that's alright, it works.
So say you've got, apart from a burn mark up the back of the truck there, so you've got a few switches and whatever else,
Yes.
what are all those for?
So this one here's your lights in here, got LED, 12 volt LED lights in here, nice and bright. I've got that one there is the lights on the back. Got a couple of bar lights. I should replace that one because that one's been like that for 12 months now. But
That's only a third of it working.
yeah, so
But
we'll
all
replace
right.
at the back when we're working at night. Fire extinguisher because the rules say we've got to have one, and probably should have one anyway.
It is currently still okay. We don't need to recharge that one.
Well, all needs to be cleaned up. This is me
It's his kid's pencil case.
this is my kid's pencil case that I put all my
The $2 Kmart variety.
takes all my the rule book and my log book. Have a log book. Stickers and shit for the kids to come around.
Bit of promo gear there. My sunscreen.
Because we're racing.
Because I'll still get burnt with sunscreen. There we go.
Oh, we've got here. Bible, you need that. If you're going to race a car.
If you never get a hold of one, get it.
Yeah, buy it. This one's getting a bit shabby now. It's been here a while, so I put it in this plastic case to try and protect it. Tear offs, razor blades, tape measure.
Razor blades for when you're having a bad day.
Imperial tape measure because stupid sprint cars are measured in inches. Stagger tape, that's something else I've got to get a few more of. But yes, I need to get some more stagger tapes. What else have we got? And see, look at this, like millions and millions of tools that are just useless and like just, I'm gonna sort all this crap out. This is my job for the day. A few fittings. More tape measures, suppliers.
Oh, you can never find it.
And we've got spares, tyre groover, spare torque ball, top ball housing, spare arms. I'm going to get rid of this stuff and hang it up on the side of the wall. A couple of calipers. That's a really, I think that's a good one. Yeah, that's a good caliper. I'm going to get a rebuild kit for that and put that through that. That's the one that goes with my titanium rotors, which will hopefully turn up
So
this
what
week.
brand is that then?
Willwood.
Willwood.
Most of them
Are they all
Willwood.
Willwood?
Nah, Willwood. This one is. Yeah, that's another Willwood. That's the bigger one for the cast iron rotor. Same as what I've got on the car at the minute. The steering arms, brake muscles, power steering pump. In here we've got petrol for the generator at the minute.
That's for when we need the aircon.
Yeah.
Because we're a bunch of girls.
Got in here, which needs also sorting out, all my fluids. So I've got power steering oil, diff oil for changing gear sets. Start your bastard, because these winglesses don't like to start when they're cold. Brake fluid. What else have we got here?
I don't know why you got
I
that.
don't know why I got car wash in here. I haven't already been using that on the road. Rags for wiping the car down. More gear oil. A couple of contact cleaners and bits and pieces. There's a spare set of leads in there. There's a battery charger in there. And some WD-40.
Cece, you've got some baby oil in there. Why have you got baby oil?
Because we wiped the car down with baby oil to stop the mud sticking to it. What's in this one? crap shit out to clean up. Ratchets, more spanners. This is all metric stuff, I think, but yeah, have a look at it. There's shit everywhere. Electrical stuff. This has normally got drills and rattle gun stuff in it, but they're also in my bag at the back. Your common stuff. Tile software. Another bloody couple of spare arms. Set of brake pads. Ooh.
The things you find.
I got to replace them in the car, but I might keep that one as a spare and I'll go get a couple more. Tyre levers, because we're forever changing tyres. That's about it. A couple of spare hose fittings of those hose fittings I use. Bloody AN fittings. Just a spare hose. There's a couple of rolls of spare hose.
You've got your job cut out for you.
Bag of rags. Battery the other side there. Power cord to plug the air conditioner in when we get the generator fired up.
Is that because you're a softie?
No, that's because you're a softie. And I'll leave my truck and go and do something. I'll come back like on a 42-degree day and there'll be 15 people standing in the back of my truck because I've got the big air conditioner going.
Good old Marilyn, the air conditioner.
Yeah, Marilyn, the air conditioner.
Yeah. She good?
Yeah, funnel. I don't know, not much else in here.
She know pretty setup, but
Yeah,
it works for us.
It works.
Kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah, could definitely not go without the good old ARB fridge that he's currently going too. God knows what is in it.
A few drinks and stuff.
Oh look,
Yeah,
you got some drinks in there. Yeah, just in case.
Look at some stuff in here. There's this bulkhead still sit over there, but it's all a bit of a mess. I gotta clean all these up too. Spare switch that Tyler reckons I shouldn't be running. See, I've got a spare, so it's okay. Tyre valves are always going through them. These are just normal old bolts. I've got some more bolts coming. I probably need to clean all this shit up. Sort it out. Someone's going to look to see if it was in one of these boxes. I can't remember what it was now. No, it's on there. He's going to put down. Yeah, see me. The titanium one's a lot of them. Couple of alloy spare stops and bits and pieces, run-ins. Shit everywhere. I've got to sort all that out. Spare knee guard. I don't know why I've got that in there. Rubbish. Drain tins and bits and pieces.
Oh, chop chop. Alright, let's go have a look at this front of the truck then, Stevie boy. Should make the lawn too.
Yeah, I know.
Ah, it's so wet.
Okay. Quality mirror that's about to be replaced. And no passenger seat.
Why? What has happened to it?
Because I've been meaning to fix it for 2 years and my crew chief cracked the shits and ripped it out the other day, so now I have to fix it.
Why did they pull it out?
Because it's like sitting on a board. It's not very nice.
Oh.
I've only sat on it a couple of times. Normally when I've crashed and my wife won't let me drive home. Oh, I got toolboxes underneath the sides of it. This has got crap stored in it. We've normally got a couple of camp chairs in there, but we're using them over there at the minute. This is me jack and spare wheel and shit. Spare wheel out. I'm not the next one. I don't know what's in any of these. I probably should pull it all out.
Oh, there's some chairs in there.
Yeah. Yeah, I got 3 spare radiators wrapped up in foam. Probably should. I didn't get rid of one of them. 2 of them. I bought a heap of radiators because I had a little habit of breaking them at one point, and I was getting like 3 races out of it before I broke them. So I bought a heap of second-hand ones, the spares and stuff. And as per normal, when I did all that, I haven't broken one since.
All right, let's go around this way. Have a look around the other side.
Nothing.
Oh yeah. That's
Not
good
cut off
story.
cable ties because that drives me batshit crazy. They'll be getting cut off. That's actually where there's supposed to be some charges and stuff in there, but I haven't done it yet. This one's got bloody generator. Oh, someone's getting stabbed. See, they do that just to annoy me because they know how much I hate cable ties not cut off. So all the blokes who work for me are fucking idiots, and they don't cut them off just to annoy me. But we'll get that sorted out. Dual battery system, so I've got 2 batteries to run the fridge inside. Generator, which basically runs the air conditioner and a charger to charge the batteries up sometimes. That's about it. There's my starting batteries down the back there. This one, I think the next one's got bloody. I think this one's got tyres on it. If it doesn't, Oh no, spare Nerf bars. Some spare side Nerf bars.
Didn't even know they were in there, did you?
Yeah, I did. I thought they were in the back one. The back one might have tyres in it. Yeah, a couple of tyres in there. Should clean that out as well. See what's going on.
So what you're saying is you got a fair bit of work to do.
Just bits and pieces, yeah. Clean it all up. Open it all up. Wash it all out. Sweep it all out. Yeah, so that's the plan. Get the sucker cleaned up. Put some shockers on the back. Put in your mirror on the left hand side. Your passenger seat. And
Well,
we're
let's
good to
go
go for another
racing.
season.
Let's go racing.
Mm,
Maybe.
that'd be the plan.
One day.
One day, maybe.
Maybe next season.
Yeah. Put
Season after.
front end together and bits and pieces, but anyway. Be shock rail. Jesus, the list just keeps going, doesn't it?
Yeah. Well, I'll leave you to it. I got washing to do. Actually, I'm cooking, so it's probably burning.
Alright.
Not me. Alright, laters.
See ya.